Hello friends. So today we'll be dealing with the signs and symptom of stress. But before that, we'll be studying very important two key roles in playing very important role in stress related behaviors. तो हमारी जब भी कोई स्ट्रेस बिहेवियर्स हम शो करते हैं विल शो देयर टू थिंग्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट द हाइपोथैलेमस कैसे इंपॉर्टेंट है द हैज़ अ टू पाथवे. पहला पाथवे है जिसमें ऑटोनॉमिक नर्वस सिस्टम है. ऑटोनॉमिक नर्वस सिस्टम एड्रिनल ग्लैंड जो रिलीज करती है लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ कैटेकोलामाइंस एंड एपिफ्रिन एंड नॉरएपिफ्रिन. एपिफ्रिन नॉरएपिफ्रिन इनका क्या रोल है? व्हाट दीज टू प्ले रोल इन अ बॉडी. इनका रोल है हमारे कोई भी बॉडी में फाइट एंड फ्लाइट रिएक्शंस लाना. फाइट एंड फ्लाइट क्या है? आप कहते हो कि या तो लड़ लो या फिर भाग जाओ. ओके आप या तो लड़ लो या फिर भाग जाओ. यू हैव टू चॉइसेस. सो दीज ओनली पाथवेज ऑटोनॉमिक नर्वस सिस्टम दैट डिसाइड दैट वो हमारे ब्लड स्ट्रीम में चेंजेस होता है और देन इट चेंजेस ऑल द फिजियोलॉजिकल चेंजेस. और वो कैसे दिखता है? आपके फाइट या फ्लाइट रिस्पॉन्स में. दूसरा है पाथवे इन्वॉल्व पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड विच सिक्रीट्स द कॉर्टिसोइड cortisol which provide energy and the emotional reaction to experience of stress including negative emotions such as fear, anxiety and embarrassment. तो कोई भी हमारे नेगेटिव इमोशंस हैं. नेगेटिव इमोशंस क्या क्या है? फियर हुआ, एंग्जाइटी हुआ, sadness हुआ, you are not happy, that those are the things which are very negative emotions that you have. तो ये प्रोवाइड एनर्जी करती है उन चीज़ों को. और द इमोशन रिएक्शंस जो भी होते हैं वो हमारे नेगेटिव इमोशंस होते हैं आपके पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड की तरफ से. तो दीज आर द टू पाथवेज, द हाइपोथैलेमस दैट इज द एड्रिनल एंड द पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड. Now we'll move to the sign and symptoms of stress. Now what are the sign and symptoms? क्या क्या एक इंडिविजुअल में आप देख कर डायग्नोज कर सकते हो that person is suffering from psychological disease or some or the other stress? What are the signs? आपको क्या देख के लगता है कि किसी को देखकर आप कैसे बोल सकते हो? हम कह देते हैं ना किसी को देखकर कि हाँ ये बंदा बहुत स्ट्रेस से गुजर रहा है. एक नॉर्मल इंसान भी बता देता है कभी कभी. तो एक तो होती है बहुत शॉर्ट टर्म में कि जो हर इंसान हर दिन एवरी डे वी यू एंड मी आर फेसिंग द स्ट्रेस इज कमिंग एंड देन वी आर कोपिंग एंड देन अगेन इट इज़ गोइंग. इट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. बट क्या होता है कभी कभी इट इज़ अ वेरी लॉन्ग टर्म एंड व्हेन इट हैम्पर्स योर डे टू डे लाइफ देन इट इज़ अ वेरी सीरियस इशू to which you have to think over and you need to visit to doctors also sometime. So that is a very negative way to look into the matter. And so we can say that by seeing those signs, and there are some criteria said that few months or the days are criteria fixed, and then you can say that that person is having a very prolonged period time of stress. prolonged period मतलब काफ़ी दिनों से उनका ये जो साइंस और सिम्टम्स चली आ रही, तो फिर हम कहते हैं that person is suffering from stress. अब वो क्या क्या सिम्टम्स हैं? That is lack of concentration, then memory loss, then distraction, then poor decision making. आप इतने स्ट्रेस में हो कि आप डिसीजन भी नहीं ले सकते हो. then burst of energy, then mood swings that means sometimes you are very sad, sometimes you are very happy. आप तुरंत ही हंसने लगते हो, फिर आप तुरंत दुखी होकर रोने लगते हो. So different kind of mood swings you have. Then physical illness also, sometimes heart rate increases, you have stomach upset, you have functional diarrhea also sometimes. Especially functional diarrhea is seen in the students who don't want to go to the school, who don't want to attend their give their examination. So these are the signs and symptoms the people suffer who are suffering from stress. Now what are types of stress? So types of stress, first we'll be dealing with the physical and environmental stress. Now what are physical and environmental stress? The physical stresses are the demands that change the state of our body. तो ये एक तरह की स्ट्रेस डिमांड है, फिजिकल स्ट्रेस डिमांड है जो हमारे बॉडी स्टेट को ही चेंज कर देती है. हाउ वी फील स्ट्रेन व्हेन वी ओवर्स एक्सर्ट ओवर फिजिकली. अब हम दिन भर अभी वी ऑलवेज ट्राई टू engage ourselves like from morning till night, and we overexert sometimes, like we overexert, and overexertion sometimes leads to you the physical stress, so you are physically stressed. And then what is environment? Environment stresses are aspects of our surroundings that are often unavoidable. Sometimes we can avoid things not to get stress, but sometimes we cannot avoid stress, right? How? Because we cannot control some environmental things which are coming to us, whether we want or we don't want, like for example pollution, noise, crowd. So people gets very irritated with crowd. कुछ लोग हैं बहुत ज़्यादा crowd से irritate हो जाते हैं और stress ले लेते हैं. Sometimes there too much noise going on around you that you cannot, if it is at your home you can control, but if it's outside you cannot control. You don't have that controlling capacity outside world, so you cannot control. So those are the environmental stress. Now we'll come to the psychological stress. Now what is psychological stress? Especially how when we suffer from psychological stress, four things comes in our life, that is frustration, conflict, internal pressure and social pressure. Now frustration, it always results from the blocking of needs and motives. Whenever you block something, you have some need, you have some demand, and you are continuously you are suppressing inside, you are repressing in your mind the blocks, blocking your those motives inside your mind, and one or the other day you get so exhausted that you feel stressed. The second one is conflict. What is conflict? It is not a single one, but whenever it is there is fight between two similar things, two avoidable things, and further we'll be talking about different types of conflict also. So conflict occur between two or more incompatible needs or motives. अगर एक टाइम में ही आपके सामने दो मोटिव हों, या आपको एग्जाम भी देने जाना है, at the same time your mother is sick and she is in hospital, you need to visit. So yes, of course you'll check the priority, आपकी priority क्या है, you'll see. But sometimes at the same time the both work is very important for you, task is very important, and you are in a conflicting situation. So that conflicting situation also creates stress in you. Now what is internal pressure? Internal pressure stems from beliefs based upon expectation from inside that I must do everything perfectly. बहुत लोगों में होती है कि नहीं ये काम कैसे हो सकता है, मैं नहीं कर सकता, मैं तो कर सकता हूँ. ज़रूरी नहीं है that you are very good at everything, so you cannot do, but some people have that. So खुद से expectation करना, no I'll achieve 100/100, and if not that doesn't happen, then what happens? बहुत बार हम स्टूडेंट्स में भी देखते हैं, some students are there, how can I get, I used to get 100/100, how can I get 50 or 60% this time? I cannot take this. So cannot take this is the stress in him or her, that creating very too much stress. और ये stress लेने से काफ़ी फर्दर मे बी आइसोलेशन में इंसान चला जाए, एक होपलेसनेस अंदर आ जाए एंड हेल्पलेसनेस आ जाए, एंड मे बी पर्सन यू हैव हर्ड लॉट ऑफ एग्जाम्पल दैट पीपल आर डूइंग सुसाइड एंड ऑल. सो दीज मे लीड टू, these stresses may lead to that extent also. Now what is the fourth thing? That is social pressure. Sometimes you are not pressurizing yourself from internal side, but external pressure is so much. External, that means society has set some rules and boundaries for you which you don't want to, right? कभी कभी होता है कि जब हम नहीं चाहते हैं वैसा करना, but चूँकि we live in a society, we are a social being, so we have to run according to them. तो जब एक सोशल प्रेशर हमारे पे होती है तो देयर पीपल हु वी फेस इंटरपर्सनल डिफ़िकल्टीज़ भी काफ़ी आ जाए, जहाँ पे हमारे क्लैशेस होते हैं सोच में. मे बी वी आर सिटिंग इन अ क्लासरूम और वी आर हैविंग सो मेनी फ्रेंड्स, बट क्या होता है ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमारी मेंटालिटी एक ही हो, हमारी परसेप्शन एक ही हो, चीज़ों को देखने का नज़रिया एक हो, एंड देयर द थिंग्स क्लैशेस. सो ये क्लैशेस जब आती हैं, जब वी डोंट वांट टू एक्ट according to the society rules and norms, then that creates a pressure in us and we feel stress. So these are the stresses, types of stresses. The last one is the social stress. Again, these are the introduced externally and result from our interaction with people, social event like death, illness in the family, strained relationship, trouble with neighbors, and some example of social stresses. So these are the social stresses. Maybe attending parties may be very stressful for a person who like to spend quiet evening at the home, and at the same time, for the person who doesn't want to visit to some place, and if he has to, then that creates a pressure on him, and then he leads to a stress. So this is also kind of social stress. So what we studied today, the psychological stress. Then in psychological stress, we dealt with the internal pressure, social pressure, frustration, conflict, then social stress, then physical stress, and last one is the environmental stress. So until then, take care, and in the next class we'll be studying about the sources of stress. Okay, then goodbye, have a nice day.